The blind spot information system is designed to help make the driver more aware of vehicles detected in neighboring lanes. When BSI detects a vehicle nearby, it turns on an icon in the mirror on the appropriate side of the vehicle. If the turn signal on that side is used, the mirror icon starts flashing and an audible alert is issued. Drivers can choose to disable the audible alert and just keep the visual one. Here's how it's done. First, make sure the power is on and the transmission's in park. On models with this 9-inch color touchscreen, press the Home button and then touch the Vehicle Settings icon. Touch Driver Assist System Setup, then select Blind Spot Info. Then choose Visual Alert. And that's it. The audible alerts won't sound. Models with the 7-inch color touchscreen are customized through the driver information interface using the steering wheel controls. Press the Home button, then use the selector wheel to select Settings and push in to select it. Next, scroll to and select Driver Assist System Setup, Blind Spot Information, and then Visual Alert. In the unlikely event you want to turn this valuable feature off, here's how to do that. Roll the left selector wheel to Safety Support and press. Now, scroll to select the Blind Spot Information System icon and press. The icon will turn gray and its checkmark will disappear, signaling that the feature is disabled. BSI will stay disabled until turned back on using this procedure.